Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing a 10-minute clean with me. I will be doing my bedroom, my son's bedroom. I will even do my bathroom, and I will also be decluttering our third bedroom, which is our homeschool room. So let's jump right into this video's scripture. And this video scripture comes from Hebrews 11:1, and it says, "Now faith is the substance of things hoped for, but the evidence of things not seen." Whatever that thing is that you desire to do, keep pushing. It may seem like God is not moving and you are getting no results. But if you got the results right away, then you wouldn't be dependent on him to do it. I look at faith as a test, and it depends upon you if you pass that test or not. There was a time when I kept waiting on God to give me the clarity about something that I was kind of scared to do. And after a while, I wasn't getting any answers from God. So one day I heard God say, if I gave you the clarity on that specific thing, then you wouldn't step out of your comfort zone. So you see, sometimes God will not give you the clarity because he wants you to be uncomfortable to help you grow. When you step out of your comfort zone, you are activating your faith and showing God that you are totally depending on him. So I want to encourage you guys to step out on faith and continue to push through, even though it seems like you are getting no results.
I'm stuck in the middle. Yeah, I'm stuck in between. I'm stuck in that position. I'm just a machine. So you're stuck in the middle, huh? I guess we're stuck in between. Life is a riddle, yeah. And I don't know what it means, no. This is what it feels like. But you're not alone, 'cause I'm just like you. Let's share out and hitchhike. There is nothing we can't do. Ooh.
Okay, guys, so now I'm going to tackle this third bedroom of mine, which we use as my son's homeschool room and also as a storage. As you can see, we have bikes in here, we have all kinds of decorations that I have and things, crafts and stuff like that. Old decoration that I need to give away. It's all piled up in this corner. So I will be decluttering this and organizing it and putting it in containers and making it a little more, suitable a suitable area to be in because it was driving me crazy looking at all this mess right here. My home, we don't have much storage in my home. We need to invest in a shed that way I can put some things in there. But until then, I will be storing things in the homeschool room. And yeah, so you will be seeing me declutter this area.
You're like the wind. You're like a butterfly. Need to be seen. You always need to fly. You always leave. You never tell me where. You need the wind, the wind. It always takes you there. Always the same routine in the morning. You always leave me without a warning. Without you here, babe, I'm feeling lonely. Come on and calm down my body, baby. I need your healing now, so don't leave. Spare me this feeling now, but it's okay now, as long as you're here. As long as I know you fly back to me, but it's okay now, as long as you're here. As long as I know you fly back to me. You're like a dream. You're like a waterfall floating downstream. Once again I fall. Always the same routine in the morning. You always leave me without a warning. Without you here, babe, I'm feeling lonely. Come on and calm down my body, baby. I need your healing now, so don't leave. Spare me this feeling now, but it's okay now, as long as you're here. As long as I know you fly back to me.
So I thought maybe that I add in me, vacuuming our rug. It was a little dirty. You can't really see it on camera, but it was dirty. So I decided to vacuum it. So yeah, so you guys, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you stick around to the very last end because I have a blooper for you guys. I got some behind the scenes. I want you guys to see what goes on behind the scenes of filming videos like this. So stick around till the end.
You fly back to me, baby. It's okay now.
Hmm.